Hey Plant Pals, Mike the Kitty Gardener, and today's video is a two for mail call. I got I was gifted some seeds from T-Nog, Miss Linda, the New Orleans gardener, and I also got some seeds from Planter Garden TV. He's got a challenge, an herb challenge going on. I'll talk about that in a minute. First, I'm going to open up the seeds from T-Nog. See what I got. Oh, I also have gotten fancy. My wife decided instead of me using a box cutter, I should use this fancy letter opener because I'm always terribly opening letters. I'm really bad at it, so I got the letter opener. There we go. See, nice and clean. All right. Always, always listen to the spouse. All right. Okay, get that. It came with a nice note to keep the seeds in. All right. So this is honeydew orange melon. I'm going to grow that. And this is moon and stars watermelon. Okay, cool. So I've got two types of melon to grow. I need to, no, I'm just going to keep this in this envelope as it is. Because see, if you look back here, this is the case. She's gifted me so many wonderful seeds that she has her own case. See, I've got my blue butterfly peas. I got my dazzling blue kale. Got my lipstick peppers. And so I'm just going to put that in there so I can know what seeds they are. That goes into the special case. That's really cool. All right. So thank you to T-Nog for those wonderful seeds. I will definitely be growing them. Might try grow some inside. Might I have to look them up. Always fun to try things. Definitely try them outside. See, that's much better. If anybody's seen my past videos when I open up envelopes, they can, and there's, I always mangle them. That works much better. All right. So this is from Planter Garden. Let's see here. So I believe these are the monkey pepper seeds. They're like super, super, super hot. And if they're hot to to a person from the islands, the Caribbean, they're probably crazy hot. And then these are another. So I have to ask them. I'm not sure what these are, because all I was expecting was the monkey pepper seeds. These look like peas, and if they are, oops, I suppose it would help if I showed them. I need to. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open these up and then put them in their own little envelopes. If I can find them, I had a whole stack of them here. Can I still do? Cool. So I've got these little seed envelope for saving seeds, so I can open this up, and I'm going to grab a plate. See, would have helped if I had been a little bit more organized from the start. So anybody want to play guess the seed? Because I think these may be pigeon peas. I don't know, not sure. Like I said, I was only expecting the that was a whole variety of things. Wow. Oops, let me make sure I get everyone out, because I can still feel some seeds in here. Let me look, check. Make sure they don't go on the carpet. And trust me, there's been, yep, see? There were more seeds in there. That would have been very sad. Get out. My seeds. Yeah, definitely, probably if I ever spill any water on my carpet, I'll probably have a forest growing, because I'm always dropping seeds on the carpet here. So these are definitely some kind of like black eyed pea type thing. I have no idea what all these are. They're all different kinds of things. That's really cool. So I'm just going to call it the planter variety mix. I'm gonna put that into a envelope and label that. That's what I do. Just bend this in half. Not gonna do it on camera because I'll definitely spill everything all over the place if I try. Get in there. All right. Awesome. So this is my planter garden mix. So that's that there. And then this one here is definitely the monkey pepper seeds, which I'm very excited to try to grow. Because anybody knows me knows I love my hot peppers. Open up. Okay, I'll try to, again, make sure I don't waste any. These are very valuable to me. Yep, see, I heard that extra one drop. All right. So these are the monkey pepper seeds. I'm going to put these into, and I'm going to label them. So these are what I'm super, oops, and I almost lost them. And I got some on my hand. Ah, save the seeds. Ooh, I caught it. Almost hit the ground. All right. So this wasn't a good plate for, this was not a great plate for doing this. It's a great plate for seeing the seeds on, but just a plain paper, it's kind of thick of a plate, so it more bends than it does, it, you know, doesn't make for a good funnel. It's like a paper plate would. I'll set that here. And there's some more random loose seeds, which again, I have no idea what they are. Hopefully, oops. Probably have to edit that. I think I showed the envelope. All right. And these, again, are seeds that I'm not sure what they are. So I would love like some, which I don't know if I can grow here, but I would love like some pigeon peas, any of those cool island peas that we don't have here. So I've never had them, never tried them. I've never tried, well, a lot of those plants like Edos, and all those. I've never had a pigeon pea. All right. This in their envelope. See, I actually did a good job on that one. All right. Put this plate away. So there you have it. All right. That was, of course, for me, as usual, a very fun mail call. So I've got the seeds I was expecting, which were the monkey pepper seeds. Going to grow that. Not sure what these are, and I'm not sure what these are. So anybody know, leave it in the comments section. And I've got my seeds, wonderful seeds from T-Nog, the New Orleans gardener, Miss Linda. So you can see her live every Tuesday and Sunday. And you can see Planter Garden TV. He's on, well, he goes on quite often. Usually Thursdays and Saturdays. We have some fun, you know, kind of a dance party Saturdays nights and stuff like that. So yeah, you can always, he's always on. You can check him out. He's very wealth of information. Well, they both are a wealth of information. That's why I love watching them, because I learn so much. Oh, the challenge is for Planter Garden is having an herb challenge. And you can't really see it in the background, but see those are all just my little toys and stuff that I put on top of my units. I had to clean, because of the aphids, I had to clean out every plant. So I am starting from scratch, which is not a big deal because in a month I'll have everything like pretty much almost ready to, well, the herbs will definitely be ready to harvest. The peppers will be well on their way, and I'll also be ready for the spring. So I got to plant some fast growing things in like my harvest because I have a seed starting tray. So I'm going to plant something really quick growing so that it's February, almost February now, so February, March, April, and I can plant at the end of May, so probably towards the end of April I'll start things growing inside to take outside. But the herb challenge is Planter HGC 2023, which stands for Planter Herb Garden Challenge 2023. And the challenge starts February 1st. And what the challenge is to grow 5 herb plants, and there will be a prize. He's going to judge it. There are some people, David, who think they're going to win, but he's probably going to cheat. So I've got 3 my small deep water storage containers. I'm going to grow 18 herbs in that. I've got to restart my my AeroGardens, and I have a few other units that I'm going to start a bunch of herbs in. So I'm going to grow basil, parsley, oregano, sage, thyme, and a few surprise ones. I don't want to give away my hand too early because, like I said, David will try to cheat. All right. Any comments, questions in the comments section? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.